First, I'm going to chain 17. I'm skipping the first stitch and doing 4 slip stitches. Now I'm going to do the first berry stitch of the row. This starts with a single crochet, a chain 1, a yarn over single crochet in the front leg of the single crochet, a yarn over wide single crochet in that same leg space, and then I skip 1, do a wide single crochet, and then I do a regular single crochet. Then I work 4 slip stitches. Now I'm working on the last berry of the row. If you need a refresher on the berry, you can go back to part 1 of this tutorial. I go through this kind of tricky stitch in full detail. To finish off row 1, chain 1 tightly and turn your work. Row 2 is made up entirely of back loop only slip stitches. Chain 1 and turn to start row 3. Row 3 is worked in the back loops only. It starts out with a berry stitch. Once the berry is completed, I'm going to do 4 back loop only slip stitches. Now I'm working on the last berry of the row. Finish off row 3 with 4 back loop only slip stitches, then chain 1 and turn your work. Row 4 is just 16 back loop only slip stitches. Repeat rows 1 through 4 times for a total of 16 rows.